Let's learn the names of pet animals. Dog. This is dog. Dog is a loyal animal often kept as a pet. It can guard homes, help people, and is known as good companion. Cat. This is cat. Cat is a small pet animal with soft fur and sharp claws. It likes to chase mice and sleep for many hours. Rabbit. This is rabbit. Rabbit is a small animal with long ears and strong back legs. It hops quickly and eats grass and vegetables. Hamster. This is hamster. Hamster is a tiny pet animal with soft fur and big cheek pouches. It stores food in its cheeks and likes to run on a wheel. Guinea pig. This is guinea pig. Guinea pig is a small gentle pet animal with a round body and short legs. It eats vegetables, fruits and hay. Parrot. This is parrot. Parrot is a colorful bird known for its curved beak and ability to mimic sounds and words. Fish. This is fish. Fish is a water animal that breathes through gills and swims using fins and a tail. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Pigeon is a common bird that lives in cities and towns. It can fly long distances and often feeds on grains and seeds. Duck. This is duck. Duck is a water bird with webbed feet that help it swim in ponds, lakes and rivers. Tortoise. This is tortoise. Tortoise is a slow-moving reptile with a hard shell on its back that protects its body. Lovebird. This is lovebird. Lovebird is a small colorful parrot known for living closely with its partner. Goat. This is goat. Goat is a farm animal that eats grass and plants. It is raised for milk, meat and sometimes wool. Cockatiel. This is cockatiel. Cockatiel is a small parrot with a crest on its head. It is a popular pet bird that can whistle and mimic sounds. Chick. This is chick. Chick is a baby chicken that is small, fluffy and yellow when it hatches. Pig. This is pig. Pig is a farm animal known for being intelligent. It often rolls in mud to keep cool. Horse. This is horse. Horse is a strong animal used for riding, racing and farm work. Rooster. This is rooster. Rooster is a male chicken known for its loud crowing sound in the morning. Sheep. This is sheep. Sheep is a farm animal that gives wool used to make clothes and blankets. Sugar glider. This is sugar glider. Sugar glider is a small animal that can glide through the air using a skin flap between its legs. Finch. This is finch. Finch is a small, colorful bird that eats seeds and sings pleasant songs.